Alright, simplify. On your left hand side, square root 3 over 2. Square root 3. What kind of a number is this? That's right. That's irrational number. Irrational. Alright. Not rational. Okay, irrational. Okay, so now, any ugly number like this, okay, I call ugly because, giving us a hard time, right? So, like a square root 3. So, that's on the top, which is a numerator. That's okay. But, we have to keep the denominator clean. That means, 2, that's okay. This one is okay. So, what about this one? Denominator has irrational number. We're gonna make it clean. Alright. So, hey, probably you know this one already. All you have to do, you just multiply square root 2 one more time. Just like this. Okay, then, this is gonna be, the bottom's gonna be, that's gonna be 2. So, top, square root 2, that's okay on the top, like I said. So, that means, ended up, this is gonna be 2. That means 2 and 2, you can reduce, see, this one and this. That's why final answer is square root 2 over 1. You don't have to worry about 1. So, the answer is square root 2. What about this? So, like I said, square root 5 times square root 5 times right here. That means bottom's going to be 5. That's right. Square root 5 times square root 5 is 5. So 5 and 10. That's right. You can reduce, right? Okay, so like this. Okay, this is going to be gone, which is 1. This is going to be 2. So final answer is 2 square root 5. Whoa! What about this? Alright, let's try a few more then. How about this ugly number? Alright, in this case, we have to clean this one with conjugate. We're going to find out conjugate of this form right here. Conjugate means simply, maybe I can say complementary, maybe supplementary, or make something perfect. Okay? Like a husband and wife. That's right. That's a good example. Like a husband and wife, okay, they together, they make a perfect home. Okay? So, I can say husband is conjugate of wife. Wife is conjugate of husband. Alright. So, conjugate. Very simple. We're going to multiply conjugate on the top and the bottom. That's it. Okay. So, conjugate over this one, simply opposite, which is 3 minus square root 2. Okay. What about this one? Same thing. You have to multiply the same thing on the top and the bottom, right? Okay. So now, the bottom's going to be, okay, in this case, okay, 3 times 3 is 9, minus square root 2 times square root 2 is 2, okay, which is 7. Very simple. The bottom is 7, already clean. Top, so just leave it alone. Okay, 3 minus square root 2. So this one, same thing. Alright, 3 minus square root 2. That's good answer right here. See, very clean. What about this one? Conjugate of this one. Very simple. Square root 3 minus 1. Square root 3 minus 1. See how easy it is? Alright. So now bottom's going to be square root 3 times square root 3 is 3. Minus 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, top is 3. Then this conjugate is still there. Okay, which is all you have to change is what? Bottom's going to be 2. That's right. Very nice looking answer right there. See? Alright, good. Now, what about this one? Conjugate. You just multiply conjugate on the top and the bottom. Same conjugate, right? Okay, just like this. Okay, this conjugate is what? Square root 3 minus 1. Square root 3 minus 1. So wait a minute. In this case, bottom's going to be what? That's right. Square root 3 times square root 3 is 3 minus 1. which is 2. Oh yes, bottom is already clean. What about the top? Okay, square root 3 times square root 3 is 3. Now, minus. Okay, inside and outside. You remember FOIL technique? That's right. Inside is negative square root 3. Outside also negative square root 3. So, negative 2 square root 3. Now, okay, minus 1 times minus 1, which is negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1. That means 3 plus 1. That's 4. Alright. 4 minus 2 square root 3. In this case, we need a little more work to do. Okay, now, you can reduce this one with what? That's right. Okay, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So bottom's going to be 1, so you don't have to worry about it. So top is going to be 2. So final answer is what? 2 minus square root 3. Whoa, very clean. So you watch this one. So the first one, that was irrational number, irrational number, irrational. So now I change this one to rational number. That's why we call this one. That's right. Rationalized. That's right. I actually rationalized. That's what we call rationalization. Alright. That's it. Okay.